Okay, this is the full set components. This is the extend cables for the door lights, 4 pieces, front door 2 pieces and rear door 2 pieces. This is the footlight extend cables, and this is the cables connect to the iDrive controller, so we can control the light color and brightness from the iDrive and or the original radio. This is the power control box. It is complete one set, all the cables one set. Okay, and this is the center console light. See, here has the light here. Okay, this is the control box, and this is the footlight, 2 pieces. And this is the LED strip, 4 pieces, to install on the door panels. Okay, now I will show you how to connect all the cables. Okay, firstly we need to connect this this power box. Okay, then after that we need to connect these 2 cables. These 2 cables is for the power, to get the power from the card. This one is the green one is the illumination cables. This one, green one, is illumination. So this one connect to the small lights in the dashboard, and this one connect to the ground. This is the ground cable, connect to the screws in the car. Okay, so when we turn on the dashboard light, the ambient light will be turned on after connecting these 2 cables. Okay, then we can start to connect these cables. This cable connect to this power box. Under the iDrive controller, there's a 4-pin connectors. We pull out original 4-pin connectors and plug the male connectors to our female connectors, and our male connectors connect back to original iDrive controller. Okay, and then this cable connect with this power cables. Okay, we will find a socket here, the male socket. Red, blue, white, 3 colors, and red, blue, white, 3 colors. So socket to socket connection. Okay, here. And then we start to connect to the footlight. This is the footlight extend cable, footlight extend cable. So we connect one of the footlight connectors to here. Okay. There's also 3 other connectors. Connect to footlight. Connect to another footlight. Okay. And there's also another socket connect to this center console light. Okay, this cable already done. Then we start to connect the other cables, the door extend cables. Okay, so we use these pin cables to connect to that pin cables. We find, for example, this is the right front doors, so we connect to the right front doors over this side. We find the right connectors. This one. We do the pin to pin connections and color to colors. For example, this is blue color, and also connects to this blue color. Okay, done. Color to color, pin to pin. Okay, this is for the right front doors, and we will also do the connection for the other doors. Okay, we will back to this door. After we connect to the power cables, we connect this side to the door strip. We connect to the, for example, one of the door strip, connect here. Okay, then we get the power from here. Here. The other door strip also get the power from here. So all the powers come from here. Come from these two cables. Okay. After we connect the power, then we turn on the dashboard lights in the car. Then the ambient light will be turned on. Then we can use the 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 buttons in the radio to control the light brightness and the light colors. And we can also use the iDrive to control the light colors and brightness in the original screen. But this is need to do the coding to activate the ambient light menu in the car. Okay, this is the housing. You see, it is not difficult to install the lights. Just you must know how to get the power. Get the power, then all the lights, all the door strip get the power, then it will be turned on. Okay, thank you.